Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about how to write table of 10. Okay, in the last video we learned about table of 9. So in this video I will show you how to write table of 10. Okay, let's begin. Repeat after me children. 10 into 1, that is equal to 10, means 10 ones are 10. 10 into 2 is equal to 20. 10 twos are 20. 10 into 3 is equal to 30, means 10 threes are 30. 10 into 4 is equal to 40. 10 fours are 40. 10 into 5 is equal to 50. 10 fives are 50. 10 into 6 is equal to 60. 10 six are 60. 10 into 7 is equal to 70. 10 sevens are 70. 10 into 8 is equal to 80. 10 eights are 80. 10 into 9 is equal to 90, means 10 nines are 90. 10 into 10 is equal to 100. 10 tens are 100. Okay, so 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So how we have to write in easy method, that is skip by 10. So like this children, I will show you. So 10. So for this 10 we add again 10 twos are 20, means plus we add more plus 10. So that is 20. So again for this 20 we can add plus 10 again. 20 plus 10, that is 10 threes are 30. So again for this 30 we again add plus 10. So 10 fours are 40. So again 10 fives are plus add again 10. So that is 10 fives are 50. So like that we add 10 more for this number. So next number. So 10 fives are 50. So again we add 10 number for this 50, we get 60. So that means 10 sixes are 60. So plus we add again 10 more for this 60. So 10 sevens are 70. Okay. Plus we add 10 for this. So 10 eights are 80. Like this. Plus 10. 10 nines are 90. For this 80 plus we add again 10 number. So we get 90. Okay, at lastly 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. So for this 90 we add again 10 more. So that equals to 100. So 10 tens are 100. This is the easy method for skip by tens. Okay. So thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Bye bye children.